Well, it's almost 8 o'clock, I've just got off the ferry and I've made it to Corsica. Now, I wanted to come here for forever, to be fair. Not really sure why, but I've made the journey and I'm here now. Currently in Bastia, because that's where the ferry dropped me off. I'm going to make my way up to the north of the island first. My intention is to do like a circumnavigation over the time that I'm here, so I'll come back through Bastia and have a look round, I don't know, possibly tomorrow or something. But for now, north of the island. Lots of looking behind me there. You've got to watch the drivers. I said it earlier on, and it's not a let's pick at the French type of thing. There's some crazy driving going on here. Every piece of tarmac is somebody's piece of tarmac, and my do they fight for it. Now I'm trying to abide by the traffic laws, and actually it makes for a better experience. It's supposed to be really, really cold here at the moment. Currently we're in the single digits, but it's absolutely fantastic at this moment in time. I've got no doubts I'm going to get myself caught out in a bit of a snow drift or something along those lines. It is going to snow today apparently, so the weather forecast tells me, but you got to take it when it's here. Am I glad I came? Right now I am.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. Ooh. Wanna come alive. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all.
Folks, I keep stopping off. I've got to make use of this weather whilst I've got it, because clearly it's going to snow and catch me out. But whilst you're suffering all of this in England with the army and all the rest of the emergency services being called out, I've got this. Currently, it can't get any better than that, can it?
I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you.
I've only been travelling a couple of miles, and I keep having to stop off to take photographs and do some footage and what have you. The views are spectacular, and whilst the weather's good, yeah, got to take advantage of it. Ain't too shabby at the moment, I can tell you.
Like I have done since a child, and my eyes, they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all.
Afternoon. I've been really busy since I got off the ferry this morning. I've been running around like an idiot, taking photographs and doing some recording, taking advantage of the break in the weather that we've got, or we seem to have here at the moment. I made my way up to the north tip of Corsica, not all the way, but as far as I wanted to go anyway today, along the D80, and I stopped off just before the D53, and that's where the roads meet. And there's a viewpoint there. It's before Urza, and that viewpoint means that you can see all the way down to Barcaggio, which is a town right at the tip, down by the sea. Views absolutely immense, especially in the sunshine, which we had this afternoon. The wind though, relentless, almost took me off my feet, rocking the van from side to side. So I've made my way back down to here, and I'll talk about here in a second. But before I went up to that viewpoint, I went to a town called Rogliano, which is a hillside town, and again, really nice place to go. Windy roads all the way up, single track, and for a big lump of a T5 it wasn't too bad with oncoming vehicles, but yes, well worth a visit. Now I find myself back here. I say back because I stopped off here before I went up there to Masinaggio, little fishing village, very quaint. I seem to be the only person here though. I haven't seen anyone, but there's loads of cars, and it's a marina, so there's loads of boats. I've just been having my breakfast, believe it or not, because I had nothing to eat since I got off the ferry. So I'm going to make my way back down towards Bastia. I'm not stopping in Bastia, as I said. I'm going to give that a break till tomorrow. I'll have a walk around then. I'm going to get myself off down to closer to the town, just in case it does snow, because these roads are a little bit windy and treacherous. And we'll see what's what.